Good morning from Ayat Sofia. So today 24 January we're having heavy snowfall here in Istanbul. Good morning from Istanbul. Today is 24th January and last night was heavy snowfall and this is what it is now. Everything is white, covered with snow. Yeah. Good morning everybody. So today 24th January at about 8 a.m. Heavy snowfall in Istanbul today. Itu dia. Gila ini tebel. To Ayat Sofia in the heavy snowfall now. Ayat Sofia, 24th January in heavy snow. Okay, so now we just arrived at the front of Ayat Sofia. It's really look beautiful because of the snow. This is Sultan Ahmad, Blue Mosque. And at the front of it is Ayat Sofia. Blue Mosque or Sultan Ahmad. Evening from Istanbul. Today is 24th January and now is at about 7 p.m. in the evening. And now here having snowfall. It's quite heavy. So this evening we still having snowfall. It's quite heavy now. Today's snowfall is it's much bigger than yesterday. Hello.